Chucky wanna play?
What is going on, guys? Ultimate Collector Tuesday here. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another Chucky doll review. Just guys, today the finally has come. Here is my Neca Bride of Chucky doll. As you can see right here, guys, he is amazing in person. It's a whole another story. I love the detail, the side of his face, the stitching, the staples. I love how they didn't mistake, the stitching for staples and the staples for stitches, like Chucky Studios. They got everything on point. The eyes, the eyebrows. I don't really like the hair. I think it's a little cheap. I do like the Tot's hair better, but it is what it is. As you can see, I love the detail, how they added the scar in his chest, the clothes, how weathered it is. I think it's absolutely amazing. I do like the shoes, the shoelace. However, I do think the red is a little dark, and at the back of the shoes is actually red, which it shouldn't. It should be white, because the red was Seed of Chucky and up, and before it was Bride of Chucky all the way back to Child's Play 1. I do like the articulation though, as you see. I do like the hands, the detail on this is amazing. My doll did come with some strange markings and his nose. I'm not sure why, but it is what it is. I do love the detail. I think it's amazing. On his face, they mistaked an extra scar, which is not really accurate, but I still like it. I love how you can move the eyes. Actually, the moving the eyes is really cool. I do like how you can move it better than Chucky Studios Ultimate Chucky, and I think it's amazing to play around with it, and it looks really cool. I do like the teeth, it's actual teeth, and I think it's absolutely amazing. Now the sculpt is absolutely amazing. It's made, the sculpt is from Replica Studios, so shout out to them. I think it's really cool. I do like the details on this doll, and I definitely need to get Tiffany to have them both, but this is absolutely amazing. Definitely the best mass-produced Bride of Chucky life-size Chucky doll out there. And as you can see, the head movement, it's amazing, but you gotta be careful because of the foam, because you can rip it. But I think this doll is spot on. And as you can see right here, this is the back of the doll. It looks amazing. I love how they added the Velcro. However, the sweater color isn't correct, but you can always, replace it. The doll doesn't come with socks, but you can also add some. But I think it is absolutely stunning. Again, the hair is an issue, but you just gotta style it the way you. As you can see, here's the bottom of the shoes. I love how they actually added the shoes and how dirty it is. I think it is absolutely amazing. And not to mention, I do like the safety pins that they added around this doll. It looks amazing. As you can see right here, guys, here he is in all his glory in the good guy box. Is damaged good guy box. I really like it. I definitely need to get the Tiffany one, and hopefully Neca comes out with accessories and more Chucky dolls in the future. Maybe a good guy doll version of this. That would be absolutely amazing. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, leave me thoughts below. What do you think of this doll? Do you already have it? Are you gonna get it? It's a different
subscribe, damn it. I'll be back. I always come back, and so should you moron.